Okay, this is where Terry and I show you in Module 1 how to research and find hot selling markets and products using some proprietary software that we've come across. Very good stuff here. This is stuff that you need to know about if you want to build a mass influence machine. So this is really exciting. This is where we go through one of our students' YouTube video campaigns, and we show you exactly how they were able to get their YouTube videos to go viral. It's easier than you think once you know how to do it. It's very hard to do if you don't know how to do it. There's obviously millions of hours of content uploaded on YouTube each and every week. How do you get yours to stand out? We'll show you exactly how to do it in Mass Influence Machine. Again, you're going to want to pay close attention to this particular information. So this, again, is a very exciting, very dynamic travel blog and obviously a Facebook page. How would you like to learn how to get paid to travel for a living and write about all your exploits and adventures? Well, you know, there's a million people trying to do that, but very few are able to successfully monetize it. And we show you how. Adventurous Kate is one of our students here. And we give you all the nuances and psychology that she uses to become extremely successful. You're going to want to study this stuff front and back. It's easier than you think when you know how to do it. We'll show you how at Mass Influence Machine. Now, in each module, we go through basically the key points, and then we elaborate on them. And right here, you can see we're talking about your reason for existence test. And this is stuff nobody else talks about. You know, it's common sense. What is your reason for existence? We want to benchmark why you're even in business. What is special about you? What is different about you? What is your USP? Why should people care about you? What problem can you solve for your customer, etc.? We go into it at length and in detail, but we don't overcomplicate it. And we give you easy ways and easy solutions to figure out how you can and should stand out in your marketplace. Whether it's crowded or not, we're going to show you how to do it. Module 4, what we do is really get into showing you how to use the automation to put yourself forward in a big way and how to build a 24/7, 365, literally cash machine, mass influence machine that works nonstop whether you're there or not. One of the ways we do that is by showing you how to use Google Trends the correct way. A lot of people think they know how to use Google Trends and how to use the data correctly. That's actually not the case a lot of times. We show you exactly how to make sense of the data in real terms and put it to use in a way that your competitors don't even know how to do. So in this module, you can see what we've given you is a series of checklists to follow as you're producing your blog, your content, your YouTube videos, your Pinterest posts, Pinterest pins, and everything else. Right here is a YouTube video checklist. We leave nothing to chance. You don't even have to think about how to create your videos. We give you a list. Did you do this? Did you do that? Did you do the next thing? Go down the list, make sure you've done everything, check all the boxes, off you go, post your video, get more followers, make more money, build a bigger audience, build more mass influence. That's how we roll. Okay, in this module, one of the great things that we cover, really excited about this, is we go through each of the social media platforms: Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, podcasting, blogging in detail, and we analyze, you know, who's your audience? Is it men? Is it women? What kind of education do they have? What are the demographics financially, education-wise? How much content do they consume? How often do they listen or read or consume? When do they listen and consume? When do they tend to act? What are their needs and wants? What do they like to do with the information? How do they like to listen to it, et cetera, et cetera. If you don't know this, you're going to get everything else wrong. So this is like the super secret sauce inside of an already awesome course. If you get nothing else out of this course, this alone will make you an absolute rock star in a mass influence machine type of an environment. I kid you not. Here you can see that we give you guys some really cool tips on how to publish content. People say, I don't know what to say, I don't know what to write, I don't know what to do, I don't know what to talk about. How am I ever going to talk about anything? Well, we give you one idea here with some mind maps and coming up with 10 main topics, expanding those into 10 different points and deeper points. And this is just one snippet, but the main thing I want you guys to understand is we've thought of everything. I could show you example after example after example, and sample after sample after sample of all the content that's included in this course, and your minds would be blown. There's so much content in here. It's a proven system. It's step-by-step. It's easy to follow. I hope you understand how good this would be and how powerful it would be and how useful it would be in your hands. Pick up a copy, take it home today, get started now. Build your own mass influence machine today.